Hi there, Melissa. This is Sheena with SOP Digital Solutions, and I talked to Christina last Friday, and she said that you're the best person to send this video, this custom video to. We help out, different businesses from real estate investors, photo booth, plumbing, construction companies nationwide. We help them out in order for us to be able to help them out increase their online presence, thus being searchable for their potential customers, and just bring those customers in your door instead of your competition. So I'm gonna get right to it. There are three things I want to be able to discuss, and first things first will be the content of your website. I can see that you have a really good, well laid out website. Having the photo as tagged correctly, roofing contractor San Antonio. So that's how we really want it to be, so that Google can count that as something that's relevant, right? So Google sends its crawlers to each and every single website as to where they check on those, even the photos, say content keyword photos, and also the content of your whole website. So just browsing through your content, it's showing that you have 630 words. So my suggestion to you is to be able to bring it up a notch and give it your website to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and also incorporate those keyword rich content, or those buyer intent keyword. For example, roofing contractors, San Antonio, this one is good, right? So you want to be able to increase that, so that you will be more and more relevant to your customers. So next thing will be the backlinks, and this is a system or application that I use in order for us to study your competition and also your website. So I can see a really good work for your website. Your rating means this is like your reputation score, like a credit score, your reputation with Google. So you're at 29, and domain rating will be the power of your website, and this is impacted by backlinks, which is basically a shout out from another website. So there are 70 domains shouting out your link, basically Roland Roofing San Antonio. So I can see that you have a lot, so just making sure that those links are not spammy, meaning those websites that are being used are something that are not fake, but has something that's really how do you say this, so not broken. I'm trying to go reverse on this one, but I guess the recording here is preventing me from doing that. All right, so I'm just gonna go back to the rating that you have. So that's that, and you have keywords as well. You have 20 showing up. I see that your website was established around, it started making some type of scoring around January of 2020. So that's a really good tenured website. So let's just go ahead and talk about the keywords. So keyword means if we go to Google and search roofing company San Antonio, you'll be able to see this part right here, which says ads. Of course, in order for them to be there, you have to pay for it. Nothing against that. It's not organic, but it's something that you can deliver or get results from immediately. Although if you stop it, then you won't be. Of course, the generating of leads will be stopping as well. When it comes to this part, this is organic, meaning something is done behind the scenes in order for us to put you here. right now we're not seeing your well, we're seeing your business here, which is a really good thing. You're probably getting a lot of business because of this, so that's really good. Um, so I mean, a lot of your business is probably coming from that. And also I saw that you have Yelp as well. So really great job. So the only thing that we want to be able to bump up will be your SEO work, which will be with your competition San Antonio roof company, which is this one. So they have good amount of content, but not a lot as well. So we want to be able to kind of just increase your content in there. So as you can see, your competition doesn't have as much backlinks and referring domains. It's the reason why their domain rating is kind of low, but they have really good organic keywords that they're using that we want to be able to utilize as well in your website, right? So they have a lot of keywords that they are positioning high on. So roofing company San Antonio, we want to be able to get that. Let's see yours. Your ranking for roofing companies San Antonio as well. So roofing company San Antonio. So you guys are about the same in the first position. I think this one is because of the Google Map Pack. Roofing San Antonio, they went up to 1 as well. You are in 1. Roofing company San Antonio. So you have really good quality position here, which is good. So basically just taking up, you know, those other ones where they are on a lead as well will help you increase your basically your traffic, right? So they have about 1,300 organic traffic estimated per month. Right now, of course, not including the Google Map Pack because you're already number 1 in that. So I would say for us to be able to improve your organic traffic from about 19 to about 1,300 will be increasing those organic keywords or utilizing those organic keywords where they are found, so that we can be more searchable and we have more traffic besides the traffic that you are getting from your Google Map Pack, which is really good. But anyway, hopefully that helps out. Thank you so much for your time. Let me know what you think. You guys are doing well, so it's just about ramping up those keywords. The backlinks is way better than your competition, but I think the keywords will be the biggest takeaway for this. But other than that, thank you so much, and you have a pleasant day. Bye.